as if you have to. Yeah, you gotta squeeze the trigger.
Good job, Isaac.
Aim over, keep going. Aim over there at that. See that bowling pin right there? Oh, you got it. You want me to flip it to full auto? You can make it. We'll flip it. Here, full auto. Okay, ready? Ready? Go for it. Whoa!
Whoa!
Ready? Try it again. Whoa! I think it was like, is it hitting powder in your eyes? A little bit of gunpowder?
You want to wear my sunglasses?
Now let's go to 2-round burst. Okay, now you can go ahead and shoot.
Higher.
What's that?
Oh, that big wooden thing? Okay. Yeah, it's empty. Pretty cool, huh?